gathered in Greater Noida. So he wanted to sell the India growth story. He enumerated the various policies by the central government, which includes the Manrega. He also talked about the food security legislation, which he said will be soon legalized, and other ways. About Asia, he said he used a typical line, which is his own line, which he even used in the 1991 budget speech, that time has come for Asia, the rise of Asia. It cannot be stopped. He said that Asia is pivotal, crucial and vital for the world economy, and how Asian economy has led the recovery, especially after 2008.
Right, absolutely, Siddhant. Developing countries are the growth engines of the world economy, and most of them are in Asia when we look at it. But let's understand, what kind of investments can come into the country, and the direction that the ADB can give to investment into India. Give us an idea of what this conference is looking at in the broad, on the larger level.
Well, on the larger level, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said that more firepower is needed for these multilateral institutions. He talked about how IMF's firepower was increased by emerging economies like China and India to help rescue the Eurozone economies. Similarly, he said that Asian Development Bank should increasingly use more resources. It should it should use the various saving schemes across the world into developing infrastructure in Asia. The main emphasis of his speech was infrastructure development, and herein he used how ADB can help in development of infrastructure in Asia. He said China has a good amount of infrastructure